Pakka.
What a funny noise.
Ooh, upsy daisy. Oh. Upsy daisy. Oh, upsy daisy.
What a funny noise.
Oh, upsy daisy. Ooh, ooh. Ah, upsy daisy.
Don't worry, Iggle Piggle. It's only a funny noise.
Oh, upsy daisy. Oh, upsy daisy. Daisy too. Daisy, Daisy do. Upsy Daisy, Upsy Daisy. Makka pakka. Makka pakka. Daisy. Oh.
What a funny trumpet noise.
Upsy Daisy.
Makka Pakka's trumpet is making a funny noise.
Ooh. Upsy Daisy. Oh. Upsy Daisy.
There's something wrong with Makka Pakka's trumpet.
Oh, upsy daisy. Makka pakka. Oh, upsy daisy. Upsy daisy.
Oh, Upsy Daisy, have you had a clever idea to make Makka Pakka feel better? Are you going to do a dance?
Daisy do. Daisy do.
What a clever way to make Makka Pakka feel better.
Upsy daisy. Upsy daisy. Upsy daisy do.
Look at that. Look what came out of Makka Pakka's trumpet. A pretty stone.
Daisy do.
That's more like Makka Pakka's trumpet noise.
Daisy do. Upsy Daisy. Daisy do. Oh, Daisy do. Oh. Upsy Daisy. Daisy do.
Makka pakka.
Oh, Upsy Daisy. Oh.
What a lovely present.
Oh, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy. Oh, Daisy too. Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy. Daisy too. Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy. Oh, Upsy Daisy. Oh,
Thank you, Makka Pakka.
Daisy
Makka pakka.
too. Upsy Daisy.
Makka pakka.
Oh, Daisy too.
Makka Pakka had a stone in his trumpet. Isn't that a pip?